As a member of parliament for Scarborough Centre, I represent one of the most diverse ridings in Canada. I know many newcomer and visible minority women who already found it difficult to find work in their fields even before this pandemic hit us. They often ended up in precarious and low-income jobs, and this has only worsened during the COVID-19 situation. In the COVID support programs your department is managing, have you ensured that a GBA plus lens was applied to those programs so that the unique challenges which are being faced by the diversity-seeking women is recognized and addressed?
Thank you so much for that. One of the realities that COVID has highlighted is that our economy, the care work that's done, it is disproportionately borne on the shoulders of racialized women, newcomer women, women whose work is essential to our survival, and yet women whose work is not compensated according to that incredible amount of labor we ask of them. And the precarity of their situations means that, for example, personal support workers have had 2-3 jobs to just try and manage to make ends meet. We can do better in Canada. And the work that my department has been doing over the past few years, and our government as a whole, is to recognize that there are groups of Canadians across the country who are underserved and underrepresented. And not only is that unfair, but unless we maximize the potential of those who have been on the margins of our societies and economies for too long, Canada won't reach its full potential. We did begin to take into account and measure, for example, 20% of our funds support women in rural communities. For example, a portion of our funds support Indigenous women and those organizations that are supporting them. We are doing more to dig deeper and figure out this percentage is supporting Black organizations, Black women's organizations, Indigenous women's organizations, racialized, but we have so much more work to do. And perhaps one of the positive outcomes of COVID has been a recognition across the country that unless our data that we collect as a nation at different orders of government is disaggregated by gender, race, and other identity factors, we're not going to be able to count every single person and measure our impact.
Thank you very much, Minister Monsef. The time